Good morning, family. Let us do a quick video before we go to the church. So today is Christy, and then I did a video last night for you guys. Please also, after this one, go watch that video. It is very important. It's very important because now I'm giving you the quote. And then remember that other quote that we used yesterday. We did say our yesterday's bonus the way I did it. And then I gave you guys, so we show that 35. But let me just put it aside so we know that today our bankers are. Remember, this is specifically for Christy, but it can also work on T. So let me just maybe adjust here and make it. I don't know who's coming on lunch on tea time. I don't know, but you guys just have to check to be on the safe space. Okay, so what we do here, we're going to break the code. The first one, the first code is 4089. If you check this code properly, it's got a 49, it's got a 48. But now a 49 played last night. So if a number is played last night, what you do, you add or subtract 1. It's going to be 48, it's going to be 47. Then with 47, they won't bring 47. They're going to say 4 plus 7. It will give a what? A 13, which I'm expecting today. And then if you say 48, 4 minus 8, it gives you what? A 4. Because there's a 4 as well there, or a 40. Watch out, you know, when I'm doing these numbers like this, be very careful and make sure that you monitor everything, because at the end of the video and at the end of the day, you find out that there's 5 numbers there you should have just picked and used the pairing app. Okay, cool. So still on the first chord, 489. We're gonna do a remix. 40 minus 89. Okay, we're going to say 40 minus 89, because 89 is bigger than it's 49. Okay, 40 minus 89 gives us what? A 49. So which means we're still going to go with what? 48. 48. And then if though Christ is very smart, you can say 48 minus 10, we get a 38. Because I see that a 38 there's a high chance of a 38 to repeat today. And then when you're done doing that, you're going to add up everything. 4 plus 8 plus 9 is going to give you a 21. 21. If then, because I need to cover all the corners for Christy, because that one is very dangerous. So what we're going to do, let's do it like this. We say 4089. Remember, when we subtract these two, they give us what? A 49. Yes, we say 48 and 47. 47 is dropped and it's an odd. We cannot divide it by 2. So what we're going to do, we add and then we get a 13. Then when we're done, remember, we add 4 plus 0 plus 8 plus 9, we get a 21. So you say 21 times 2, we get a 42. In case if she does not bring the 22, the 21 I mean. But I'm sure that she's going to bring the 21. I'm 100% sure about that. And then we're done with the first chord. Let us move on to the next chord then. The next chord says 42. Already the 42 is appearing there. And see, and 42, 63. So 42 minus 63, how much is that? it's a 21. So you see now it gives us a 21. This one I just did it with the math. Okay, cool. We have a 21 there. We have a 42. We have a 26. We have a 43. This number must come today. We have a 43 there from that code. And then we also have a 46, if I can check. There is a 46. There is also a 26. Okay, cool. So we're done with that. And then what we're going to do, we're going to add again. 2 plus 4 is 6. Plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 3, it gives us a what? A 15. So if we say 15, we're going to, because 15 was a bonus yesterday, so it's not exhausted. What we're going to do with that 15, we're going to say 15 times 2. We get a 30, which is yesterday's date. Don't worry about that, guys. And then from that 15 again, we're going to say, let's say, because 15 was a bonus yesterday. So if the number is came as a bonus, there's a high chance of it to come back. So what we're going to do, we're going to say 1 plus 5, we get a 6. 1 minus 5, we get a 4. This is the lowest number that is called, and it can come anytime from now. So be careful with that. And then the alternative, she's going to say 15 times 2 to get a 30. Remember 30 was a date from yesterday. Guys, check exactly how I'm doing. Even me today, I'm going to play what I am doing in the video. I want to see something, if this thing from UK will scare me or what. Okay, so we go to the other chord now, which is 1305. This one is a straight 13, 30, 35, because it shows us that there's 13, 30, 35. And then we're going to say 13 plus 5 gives us a what? An 18. And 18 did drop the other day. We're going to say times 2. We're going to get a 36 or 39. There's a chance for 36 and 39. 36, 39. One of these ones must come. If maybe they say 38, bonus 39. 38, 39 inside, then bonus 33. That's how Christy plays her numbers. She does not split so much. Sometimes she just hits a number as it is. And then when we add up everything, we're going to get an 8. So if we get an 8, let me say we add 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 5. We get what? An 8. So if we've got an 8, you know what we're going to do? We're going to say times 4. We get a 32. This is how a 32 is going to come from 8, because 8 came inside yesterday. So be careful with that space. And then if you say 8, because 8 is an even number, 8 divided by 2 gonna get a 4. Do you see that? It still gives us sense now that 4 is coming back. Okay, and then we go to the last chord, which is 17400, something like that. Okay, now we are here at the edge of the video. What we're going to do with that number, because it's Christy, she's very tough and crazy. So what we're going to do, we're going to say 7 as a whole number. We skip, we say 14, which is 41. And then you get the 10 there, which is hiding there. So if I have to do a recap of the numbers that you guys must play, I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to send only singlets. You guys are going to pair from there. Okay. Oh, okay, cool. You know what? I forgot from that quote is 174. Christy is very dangerous. She'll say 47 plus 1. And then she gives us the banker 48. This is a number today, guys. 48. But in other way, she can also hit a 38. Because she's very clever, that one. Okay, so now I'm going to give you the bankers that you guys must play. I'm starting with that 48. We go to 13. We go to 10. We go to 42. We go to 43. Remember, 43 is a 34. Trust me, on these numbers that I'm posting here, you can get 5 numbers from these numbers that I'm posting now. And then the 48 after I've adjusted, and then the 4, which is also a 40. Remember, I'm spinning as well. And then there's some other numbers that are additional here, which is 21, which is also a 12. And then there's a number that is also additional that I forgot. Let me check from the book. Hey, I don't know where I wrote it, but okay, cool. A 35. Okay, cool. 35, and then there's a 39. There's a 36. You know, this 46, I think she's going to be a bonus. This 46, I don't know, but I'm just saying, because I see the 46 is all over the place. And then remember, guys, the 17 is another number, so let's add it to our list. And then 32, yes, 32. Did I put 32 here? 32. I'm going to play these numbers myself. I want to see something. Why can we fail yet? You've got everything that we need. Okay, cool. So I guess, and I think this is it, guys, for today. Please, guys, go to church. Place your numbers, then you can go to church. Don't hesitate to play these numbers today. Trust me, a big boom is coming from this, and you must split your numbers. You spin your numbers. Don't be scared to split or spin. So these numbers you're going to play on both lunch and on tea time. And remember, 1 is another number. It isn't dropped so much. So they're clever. Maybe they can say 1 or 2. And the 10, a 10 I did put there. And then I think I've covered everything. 26 or 26. I forgot 26. 26. Okay, so we saw that, guys. You must maybe make a screenshot of this. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow, guys. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday.